Tenda Wi-Fi Hotspot Dongle. Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How To Do It. Today we are going to talking about this Tenda Mobile Wi-Fi Hotspot, that how easily you can change the Wi-Fi password of your device. Many people know about your Wi-Fi password and they keep connecting and enjoying the internet. Then you think that we should change the Wi-Fi password of this device. So before proceeding, and I'm going to tell you how you can do so. Before proceeding, just like the video and subscribe the channel so that you can easily get videos like this. Now what we have to do, first of all, you have to just connect your internet Wi-Fi with your mobile, laptop, computer, wherever you are doing. And after that, as you can see in front of you, your screen, you have to just go to 192.168.0.1 and press enter. And now you will be asked about the admin password, that you have to just type in small letters admin, ADMIN, and press or click on login. Same process is for every device, like mobile, laptop, computer, wherever you are want to do so, you can easily do so. How you can easily change the Wi-Fi password after login? Over here you have to just click on this Wi-Fi settings option, and when you click on this, you will see options like this, and below over there, this is the Wi-Fi key. When you click on this display password, you will see the Wi-Fi password of your device. And now you want to change it. You can easily change according to your requirement, and it requires at least 8 characters for a Wi-Fi password. You have to type that and click on apply. When you click on apply, your password will be changed successfully. Hope you understand that how you can easily change the Wi-Fi password of this dongle. After changing the Wi-Fi password, just reset or forget the network of your Wi-Fi network, and after that reconnect it by the new password, or by just going to Wi-Fi properties, and you can easily change the password into your mobile, laptop, computer, wherever you are using. If you like this video about this Wi-Fi Tenda dongle, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.